Hey everyone, Jasmine here and welcome back to Fxone YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a fun and exciting and creative project. I'll be walking you through a process of designing a stunning Saturn desktop icon. You'll learn some cool techniques and personalize your own desktop. Let's dive and create something new out of this world. Click the Telegraphics link in the description box, then download ICO format for Windows 64-bit. After downloading, extract the file. Copy the plugin. Then go to local disk, program file, Adobe PHOTOSHOP. Required plugins, and file format. Then paste. Download an image with white background. Open Adobe Photoshop and drag and drop your image. Click the magic wand tool and click the white background. Click the eraser tool, then select the background remover tool. Erase any part of the white background and hit delete or backspace. Save your image as PNG or JPEG. Open Photoshop. Set the width and height to 256 in pixel. Set the background content as transparent, then hit OK.
Drag and drop your image. Then save copy. And then there you'll see the icon Windows icon. Click save and don't forget to rename your icon. Right-click your folder, click on Properties, select Customize, change the icon, click Browse and find your icon. Then hit apply and OK.
And that wraps up today's creative journey. I hope you enjoyed watching me craft this Saturn desktop icon in Photoshop. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe to Fxone YouTube channel for more creative tutorials designs. Let me know in the comment what kind of icons or design you'd like me to do next. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.